I'm so excited to show you guys one of my favorite lip items. It is called the Splash Liquid Lipstick. And these are just 5 of the beautiful colors there are. And they range from everywhere from neutral to berries to reds to pinks to corals, like anything and everything you could ever want. But I'm just going to show you 2 today. So I'm going to show you a nude one and a softer berry. And I always like to start with a little chapstick or tinted lip balm. I like to use just my vanilla lip bonbon. Okay, so I'm gonna first start with this more neutral shade, and it is called Sublime. Now with this, you get so much in here. You literally scrape off the wand. You do not need very much at all. So this is gonna last you forever. And you can see the wand. See how it's kind of curved and it has a little point? So what I like to do is use that to line my lips. Like so. And sometimes I line them second. So this is an example of one of our nude shades. I love this one. Seriously, one of my favorite nude colors of lipstick. And you can see how it's matte. So there's no shimmer to it. There's no sparkles. You could definitely add like lip gloss or something over the top if you'd like. But me personally, I don't know. I love the matte look. I think it's super hot right now. And I will say, you put on a really thin coat and it is going to last you. This is our, I'd say, second most long-lasting lip product we have. All right, so now I'm gonna reapply some chapstick. And next I'm gonna use Sentimental. And this one, seriously, was the first one I ever got, and it looks good on everyone. And this is perfect for fall because it's kind of that soft berry color. Berries are always hot in fall, right? Okay, so this one you have to have a little bit more precision since there is a little bit more color to it. So I'm gonna start at the top. Like I said, that tip. Do that V first. And pull it downward. And then line the bottom. Like so. And then fill in. Like so. And there is something for everyone with these colors, you guys. Look at how pretty that is. I love it because it's not super bright. You could totally wear this for every day. I love it. So yeah, these are our Splash Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and they're one of my favorites.